Good morning. Today we're going to create a web mix using the website Symbaloo.com. The first thing that I need you to do is get to the site, and it is listed right up here in my URL box. It's also written on the board so that you can keep that in front of you. Once you get to the website, I'd like you to click on the plus. That will open a box to name your web mix. We're going to name this Multiplying Fractions. You can see I've already done one, so mine popped right up. Once you've typed that in, click on the Add button, and that will open a brand new web mix. This mix has multiple tiles available. Each tile can be assigned to a particular website, and when you click on that, it will take you directly to that website. This is essentially a launch pad for you for our study of multiplying fractions. We're going to assign 6 tiles today, some of them for math websites and some of them for presentation websites that you will be able to use in our unit. So in order to assign the very first tile, we're going to click on the tile and it brings us to an options page. Because they do not already have a tile for fast math, we're going to need to create a tile. So we're going to click on that, and in order to get the address for the website, I need you to open a new tab and go to the Oak Grove Elementary. It's our home page, so it should be simple to get to. Go to Student Links, and that brings us to our page. There will be several of these links that we will be using. The first one we'll be putting in is Fast Math Next Generation. So I need you to click on that. We'll go ahead and fill out all of the zip code and everything later, but for right now, I need you to highlight the web address and then copy it. Go back to our Symbaloo page and paste the website address in here. Next, we're going to give this a name, and the name we're going to give it is Fast Math. Remember that Fast Math has 2 T's. Fast has 2 T's in here. You need to click on Show Text so that it shows up on your tile. And then we're going to give this a color, and let's give it blue. Once we have all of that in, we click on Save, and our first tile is done. I want to show you how it works. If I click on the Fast Math tile, it takes us directly to Fast Math. Okay, we're going to add the next tile. This is also one that we're going to need to create. We're going to put in your math textbook. We need to go back to the Oak Grove student links. Click on the Pearson Success Net Math. Again, we'll fill this out later, but go up to the URL website address, highlight, copy, click on the tab for Symbaloo, paste the website, add a name. We're going to call this Math Textbook. Again, show the text. Let's make it blue and save it. The next website we're going to add is Fraction Nation. But I can only get there if I am hooked up to the school district website, so we will add that later. I'm also going to add Discovery Education. For Discovery Education, Symbaloo already has a tile, so we can now search a tile, and we're just going to type in Discovery Education. I'm going to use this one. This will take you to the videos that are available for teaching multiplying fractions. Go back to Symbaloo. There are 3 presentation websites that I want us to have on here. The first one is called Prezi. We can search a tile for this. It's Prezi, and when we click on that, it assigns it. The next tile I would like you to assign is for Voki. It's Voki. This is a website where you can create your own avatar that can speak and could explain some of the steps for the algorithm or other ways of multiplying fractions. The final tile we're going to assign today is called Screencast-O-Matic. This is actually what I'm using today in order to create this demonstration for Symbaloo.